Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sleeveless summer dress with a petticoat, and it's designed to fit 6 to 7 inch dolls. You can see it here on my strawberry shortcake doll. Now you'll need to download patterns A and B, and there's a link below to my pattern page. But you'll also need a swatch of petticoat lace because the gingham skirt is a wee bit short on my doll. Use your pattern to cut out the pieces shown here. Fold the felt bodice like this and sew across the shoulder seam. Do the same for the other shoulder seam. Invert the bodice to look like this. Hem the gingham skirt. Although I used a double fold hem, I recommend a single fold hem because mine was a little too short. So only fold the fabric once, not twice. Gather the skirt along the unhemmed length, but do not tie off your gather thread until you've pinned the skirt to the felt bodice. Make sure you leave a slight overhang of gingham on both sides of the felt bodice. Later you'll want to hem those edges. Now you're ready to tie off the gathers. Stitch the skirt to the bodice along the gather line. Now your dress looks like this. And you still have that overhanging gingham, you want that. Gather your petticoat until it matches the waist of the gingham skirt, so you want them the same length, and pin it to the skirt to make sure they really line up. Once pinned in place, you can tie off your petticoat's gathers. Attach the petticoat to the skirt and the bodice, making sure your stitches go all the way through, from the lace, through the gingham, and around the felt. Now double fold the gingham edges and whip stitch along the edge of this gingham skirt. Then you can tie a knot at the bottom of the gingham. Now your dress should look like this. Fold the dress in half like you see me doing here. Pin along the petticoat's back closure area. This is just a petticoat, and stitch from the gingham's edge to the bottom of that lace. Invert the garment and add some snaps. Now try it on your doll. For more free printable sewing patterns for many dolls of different shapes and all different sizes, remember to visit my website shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you spread the word about my free patterns. Goodbye.